Hi guys, welcome to Nifty's English. Today I will explain about that new lessons. This is a grammar part. Okay, phrasal verb. We already heard about that word, phrasal verbs. Okay, let's start the lessons. Phrasal verbs. This is a continue class. I will explain every day in some of the phrasal verbs and their meaning uh, and examples also. First, I will explain about that. First phrasal verb is a bit by. This mean accept or follow a decision or rule. This mean accept or follow a decision or rule. For an this mean to accept a decisions. This is a bit by. For an examples, I don't agree with it, but I will abide by the decision to give the reward to her. Second one is second phrasal verb is I will explain about that. Account for, we all know account for. Okay, some of theirs it's a new word, but so already there. Okay, account for, it's mean to explain by relating circumstance and to show that some one thing, this is some one things, or members of a group are present or have been processed. This is a account for. Okay, for an example, this okay, for an example, I don't have to account for anything to you. This is an example of the account for. Account for means show that something or someone. Okay, third one is I for. Okay, this mean to desire or want something or someone a lot, very much, very much. For an examples, he acts for, he act for her as had never act for any woman. Okay guys, that's it. Subscribe and press the bell icon. Thank you.